Our air conditioners have smart communication capabilities through an Ethernet connection. After the Ethernet connection, a flashing blue LED on the panel indicates an internet connection. Log into the application installed on your phone. Enter the section, unit, or factory name where the air conditioner is used. Provide a name to identify the air conditioner. Enter the serial number of the air conditioner and complete the process. The air conditioner can now be controlled via your mobile phone. You can monitor the operating status of the air conditioner and the temperature inside the panel from this screen. By tapping on the temperature, you can easily change the set value of the air conditioner. If you want to receive notifications in case of a malfunction, you can easily enter your email and SMS information from this screen. Switch to the simulation page to see detailed information about the device's operating status and past data. The 4 icons at the top indicate any errors in the device. These icons light up in case of 4 different error messages, warning the user. You can review the error details in the error messages section of the video. Additionally, you can watch our videos, easily access the air conditioner's user manual, and modify the application settings. The displayed value on the screen indicates the temperature inside the panel. Press and hold the Set button for 5 seconds to view and change the desired set temperature. You can adjust it using the directional buttons and save it with the Set button. The air conditioner will now continue cooling until it reaches the new set point. When the compressor is active, temp flashes. If it remains steady, cooling is inactive. There are 2 separate menus to access the air conditioner's parameters. Press and hold the up arrow for 5 seconds for the first menu. Alarm status. If you don't want to display any alarms, this parameter is set to inactive. Limit setting. If you want to set below 26 degrees, this parameter is turned off. Key sound. If the key sound is not desired, this parameter is set to inactive. Device serial number. The serial number to be registered in the application for remote communication is visible in this parameter. Temperature unit. This parameter is used to view the values of the air conditioner in Fahrenheit. Factory reset. Used to reset all parameters of the air conditioner to default values. System reset. Used to reset the system when a shutdown startup is required. For the second menu, while on the home screen, press and hold the Set and R buttons together for 5 seconds. Mode change. There are 4 different operating modes. The standard operating mode is cabinet cooler, and there are also modes like free cooling, heater control, etc. You can view the details of the operating modes in the explanations section. Door evap status. Used to stop or start the evaporator fan when the door is open. Door control. Used to change the open-closed contact position according to the door switch status. Hysteresis value. Adjusts how many degrees the compressor waits after reaching the set point before running again. Evap sensor display. Used to display the evap surface temperature on the main operating screen. Condenser sensor display. Used to display the condenser surface temperature on the main operating screen. Sensor control. There are 3 sensors monitoring different points temperatures. Use this to activate only the ambient sensor and deactivate the other two sensors. If this parameter is set to off, error messages will not be generated. Create high temperature alarm. Used to create a high temperature alarm. High temperature point. An alarm is generated when the set value plus this value is reached. HTP message is displayed when this parameter is exceeded. Modbus selects the Modbus communication speed. Modbus ID selects the Modbus ID. Auto reset status used to restart the device if everything returns to normal within 5 minutes of any malfunction. Free cooling set value. When the device operates in free cooling mode or heater mode, this is the set point at which the free cooling fan or heater engages. Service mode. Used to manually activate the compressor regardless of the set point. Ethernet mode. When the device is connected via Ethernet but taken offline, only Modbus TCP communication is used. When online, it is connected to the Internet. Language setting. Used to change the menu language. Exit menu. Exits the menu and returns to the home screen. There are cautionary error messages for the device's long-term use. These messages alert the user and draw attention to maintenance issues. Compressor malfunction. The air conditioner continuously blows air at the same temperature. There may be a problem with cooling. Gas and compressor checks are required. LTE fault occurs when the evaporator coil inside the air conditioner gets too cold. This could be due to excessive dust, dirt on the evaporator coil, or the fan blowing air into the panel not working. Removing the front panel and cleaning the coil resolves this issue. HTC fault occurs when the condenser surface is hotter than it should be. This could be due to excessive dust, dirt on the condenser coil, or a faulty condenser fan. Opening the front cover and cleaning the coil resolves this issue. HTP fault. High temperature message. This message appears when the upper value set in menu -2 is exceeded. Door open error. Appears when the door switch is connected and the panel cover is open. The compressor and fan stop. Sensor errors. There are 3 NTC sensors that measure temperatures at different points inside the device. Sensor errors occur when there is a fault or breakage in these sensors.